Kamengameli wezwe ulokhu ebambe imihlangano nezinhlaka ezahlukene emzameni wokuxazulula inkinga yogesi kuleli njengoba izakhamuzi ziqhubeka nokuhlala ekubumnyama.
He will meet with the President's Coordinating Council, which is made up of premiers, executive mayors, and ministers. And really the purpose of this week, or the focus of this week, is informed by one, that all parts of society need to work together if we are to overcome the electricity crisis. The President, parallel to these meetings, has been receiving daily briefings from Eskom on the work that they're doing to improve the performance of their power stations.
Ungotwezamandla uchaza ngezingqinamba ezikhungethe iEskom.
They've got the biggest chance of turning their equipment around so that the 85 or the 90% becomes 90% or 95%. That would solve most of the load shedding, but it's going the other way.
Amanye amaqembu asecela umengameli Ramaphosa kanye nongqongqoshe okuyibo abathintekayo ukuba besule emsebenzini ngenxa yalezi inkinga, kodwa ihhovisi likamengameli lithi lokhu akungasetshenziswa ukulwa impi yezombusazwe.
We do expect and welcome the intense public debate on load shedding. However, attempts by some to politicize this crisis are not helpful. South Africans are justifiably angry and frustrated.
Kusenjalo, izinhlangano ezahlukene zihlela ukuyisa iEskom enkantolo ngenxa yohlelo lokucisha konga ugesi.